It's your special day, time to celebrate. You're another year older, don't you hesitate. Cake and candles, presents and joy. Happy birthday.
Happy ka, happy birthday. Minsan niya maging happy ka sa magiging edad mo. And yun lang, stay healthy, stay happy, stay in love. Happy birthday, I love you.
Happy birthday, Jessa Joy. More birthdays to come. Yun lang. Love you.
Hello. Birthday mo na, 28th birthday. Happy birthday, Duday. Sana maging masaya ka ngayong celebration ng birthday mo kasama kami at sana maging maganda rin ang pasok ng taon, bagong taon para sa iyo. Okay? So, enjoy na lang tayo ngayon at sana malasig mo kami.
Happy birthday, Joy! Enjoy your day!
Happy birthday, Tita Day! Happy birthday, Tita! Dapat ikaw puntang Laguna.
Ingat ka lagi, tita.
Ingat lagi ikaw, Tita.
Happy birthday,
Ulit.
Tita Day! Love ka ni Bebe, oh.
Oh, love ka ni baby. Yay! Ito na lang sa'yo, Tita Day.
Ito na lang daw sa'yo, Tita Day, oh. Ito na lang.
So happy birthday, Bes. So J-Joy, actually I went first to the salon just to have my hair done bago ko to isend kay Arwin. So actually I'm 2 days delayed already, but anyhow, just got with the commercial. So I actually wrote my message here. So just in case I forgot something. So this is actually not too long, not too short as well. So sakto lang. And so here it is. So I'm really blessed to have you as my LDR best friend. So yes, LDR. So we don't hang out that pretty much anymore, just like when we were in teenage years. And I know maraming friends ang nakilala mo as time or years pass by, but know that I'm just still here and I'm still gonna be here. And it's good na nakilala ka din nila and to see how beautiful of a person you are. And dahil sa mga katangian mo din, and I pray that God will always shower you with so many blessings in life because you really deserve it. I know madami ka pang pangarap, so just keep on going dahil ibibigay yan ni Lord in His perfect timing. So just believe in your faith. You know, a lot has happened this year and I'm just still proud of you and the friendship that we still have on how, how we keep it stronger actually as well. So with regards sa love life, kahit nawala naman na ako nun, So, charot. So, I pray to God na maging stronger and deeper pa yung bond nyo ni Arvin and sana walang pressure na mangyari. And ako pala yung na-pressure bigla. So, joke. So, ayun. So, I do wish you a happy birthday. So, praying for your health and to all your loved ones, family and friends, and sa career mo, of course, and more blessing in the years ahead. So I hope to see you again in the next couple of days, maybe. Let's see how it's gonna go with the schedule and everything. So yes, so I hope you're gonna enjoy your day and make it memorable. Okay, bye.
Happy birthday, mahal. Gusto ko lang ipaalala sa'yo na sobrang special ka sa akin. Napaka-thankful ko na nakilala kita. And wish ko lang para sa'yo, of course, happiness, good health, and sana lahat ng mga pangarap mo, lahat ng mga pangarap natin, sana lahat ng yun ay matupad. Asahan mo na lagi akong nasa tabi mo para tulungan kang ma-achieve lahat ng mga pangarap na yun. At naniniwala ako na lahat ng yun ay ibibigay ng Lord kasi napakabuti ng puso mo. Thank you for being you and thank you for being my constant at syempre yung taong palagi nagpapangiti sa akin. Deserve mo lahat ng magagandang bagay sa mundo at happy birthday. Lagi mong tatandaan na meron kang ako na paulit-ulit kang pipiliin sa araw-araw. I love you at mahal na mahal kita.
Sino man para sa'kin di ko sasayangin. Madayang tadhana iyong pansinin. Wala na bang karapatan na pagbigyan ang hiling. Sino man para sa'kin kahit magalit. Madayang